Okay, so I'm going to be babysitting Triton, or dog sitting Triton. I am heading out. I'm gonna be in St. Albert, far as fuck. But yeah, I'm all packed, ready to go. Gonna go there, take him on a walk, get something to eat, go to the gym maybe. The behemoth. T-Dog. Triton. What's up, bro? We walking him. Just got here. I think he's gonna take a shit. He's gonna do it. Do it. No? He's gotta find the right spot. There it is. I was just taking a piss. Good job, Triton. Good job. Very proud of you. So I brought this guy these like dog treats, right? And he doesn't even like them. Like, I guess I should have checked if he liked them before we left. He's just dancing. You don't even care about the ducks. What kind of dog are you? Hey, get away from that. What's kind of dog you are? Fucking poop smelling dog. This guy led me all the way to the Pet Value. Look at this guy. So I literally got scammed. He just brought me in there to buy him these fucking stink things. So yeah, took the guy on the walk and got scammed into buying him treats. And then he almost started a fight in the pet store. Or after.
AJ, you weren't in it.
Oh.
Get in this bitch. Hell yeah.
It's kind of exactly what I was expecting. Just potato, cheese, and beans. Oh, I forgot the fucking butter. No. No. So I'm gonna hope this doesn't go terribly wrong. But hey, Triton's on a swing. He looks so scared. I'm gonna get him off. Triton in Canadian Tire, bro.
If I buy it off him, I'm selling rags.
He's shopping. Come on, Triton.
Bro, after I said, I was like, yo, I'm gonna pass on the deal. A few days later, bro, I see the fucking car in the shop, intercooler off. I'm like, oh shit.
Look at boy, man. You got some big paws, my dude. You got some big paws. You got some big paws. I bet I gotta cut.
Where are we going, Triton? He's leading me on the walk. Hold fast. Hold fast. Hold fast. I don't want to go too fast. I don't know if you can keep up. It's working. It's working. I don't know what's happening, but it's working. It's working. He's pulling me. Guess not. You done? He's like actually running. It's cute. Usually he gets pretty sidetracked, but he's doing good because I don't know, I'm on this thing. Oh, you don't like it. What's the plan, Bubba? Yeah? Uh-huh. Sounds good. But what does it mean? I'm gonna miss this guy. Look how cute he is. Look how cute this guy is. He's so cute. He's so cute. Look at him. Look at him. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. He's so cute. Triton. Triton. Triton.
Triton, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
You're so dark.
I miss you. I miss you. Oh my goodness. Look, it's Papa. Oh, look at you, Mickey. We're home. We're home. Oh, we're home. I miss you. Oh, so excited. Oh, so excited. So excited.
He's so happy.
I'm so happy. He's so happy. He's so happy. He's so happy. He's just a happy boy. Who's a good boy?